clip fourth, skip third.
Why don't you
Don't fucking fall.
Oh, stuck it. Good catch.
1, 2. Papa go proj on 3.
Papa go pop. 1, 2, 3. This morning I texted you. I was like, let's go try Richie's Paprika project, and it transpired
Into
pulled up to Alta, and you climbed out of the van like a hobo, and off we went.
That's so fucking sketchy.
Cole Benson, top ladder.
Bring it up. Yeah, there you go.
Cole Benson, Phoenix, born and raised in Phoenix, Arizona. Where are you from, Hank?
Roxville, North Indiana. I went and TR soloed it a couple days ago, 2 days ago, and it felt pretty okay. Just a couple moves that were way harder than the rest of the climb. So now I'm here to send the climb.
Got chest hair for the first time ever. I know. Moving up in the world.
Was rolling on the west side and a little brown.
Off the deck, you get like this really cool arched like 4-finger crimp, full pad, best hold in the climb.
Horn.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's like a little. Yeah, that. You get out straight out as far as your left arm can reach. Pretty good. I can hit it full 4. Cole has to hit it like 2 first and like bump in.
Gassed on all the way into it, and then as you shoulder over, I get all the way to four fingers on it and pull into the full crimp. And it's all about keeping tension in your feet and walking your feet over. It's hard. The span out left is super difficult. It's really hard. The feet are very smeary.
Coming to the really good pinch that you use for like 8 moves. It's like grabbing the side of a pizza box. It's just like.
And then you cross into the pizza box hold, and you have a pretty good thumb, and it's a pretty decent hole, but it's sloping. And
left foot goes around the corner, not like around the corner, but around the corner to it, like a left heel hook. That sets you up pretty well for the pocket move. You go straight up, 2-finger pocket. It's scary. It eats your fingers.
It's my personal crux. It's fucking awful.
Get that pocket. Switch the heel to a toe, or heel to like placing a toe, and then I hang low on the pocket. Go out, hit a sloper. There's a middle finger and a thumb, little divots you use.
It's a really difficult move, and kind of lock off into this 2-finger pocket. I say lock off, but get really steady in the pocket and kind of fire out to an intermediate, which is appalling, and then you bump all the way out to the corner.
Like that pocket is like just good enough and you find it and then you just have enough to get and then get.
Clip fourth, skip third.
Why don't you
don't fucking fall.
Fuck. Oh, stuck it. Good catch. I think that's the worst fall.
Pull up even more. Go out to the crimp. Crimp's good. Move feels really desperate. Bring the feet up into like the first good hold since the horn at the beginning of the route.
It's good.
Yeah, it's real good.
Good slot. How do you think that pocket move's gonna feel from a redpoint burn?
Heinous, dude. It's gonna be so hard. It's gonna be like pull V8/9 into setup, hit this pocket move, and then just like fight for like every centimeter.
All the way around the corner.
Hit all the way around the corner.
I had a little something new going on. I got 2 in, like way back, and I could get like a pointer on the outside in this fucking crystal. So I'm basically 3 in the pocket. And I keep.
You didn't tell me about the crystal, Richie. What? Yeah, I gotta do the fucking one move I can't do. What? Yeah, I just keep burning it at the ground. Yeah, it could be the pocket move, like somebody I know. Alright. shit. Take. Woo! Woo! Yeah, that top is the worst fucking part, man. So sketchy. That was super sweet though, man. Good job. Good route. The foot on.
Are we cheerleaders?
Yeah. Fuck yeah. That was fucking sweet. Fuck me. Royally, dude. I one hung, I felt really good. And then I went up and didn't set. I fell like 4 times with the same move that I had just done second try. So, thank you. So I'm bad at rock climbing. And I'll be back in better conditions.
Stretch.
The home stretch is keeping your composure while praying the wall doesn't fall down on top of you. The wall doesn't collapse under the layer. It's redpoint up there. They're shaking a little bit. It's crumbling below you. It's good. It's good.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're not letting any farts out for sure.
None.
0.
Hoisin Mike, dude. This has to go everywhere.